Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we have second lesson of the same topic which we have started on Monday, perimeter and area, and we are going to go for exercise 13b today. So let's start with that. In question number 1, if you read the statement that is given on page 332, we have to calculate the area of parallelogram. And if you look at the data given there, the base is given as 12 centimeter and the height of the parallelogram is given as 7 centimeters. So I have applied here the formula of area of parallelogram. We know that the area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. So substitute the values in this formula. 12 into 7, which is 84. So our answer is going to be 84 square centimeters. So the area of parallelogram is 84 square centimeters. And now let's have a look at question number 2 on the same page in the same exercise. We have to calculate the area of the trapezium, and some data is given in part A. The height of the trapezium is given as 6 and the two parallel sides are given as 7 and 11. And how will you identify the two parallel sides? You can see an arrow is there in both the sides, so this indicates that these two sides are parallel to each other. Now I have to substitute these values which are given in question 2 part A in this formula in order to calculate the area of trapezium. So height is substituted as 6 and the sum of parallel sides, two parallel sides are 7 and 11. So 7 plus 11 is written within the brackets. So according to the applications of BODMAS, we have to first of all work out the brackets, whatever is there inside the brackets. So 7 plus 11 will worked out first of all. So this will give us 18. Now 2 can be cancelled, this 6 can be cancelled by the 2, so 2 times 3 is 6, so 3 will be left in the numerator, multiplied by 18 will give you 54 square centimeters. So that's the area of the given trapezium. Now let's have a look at question number 3. A figure is given to us and that is a parallelogram, and we are required to find out the area of that parallelogram, and secondly we have to work out the perimeter of that parallelogram. In the first part, we know the formula of area of a parallelogram is base multiplied by height. So 6 multiplied by 9, because 6 is the base of the parallelogram. So if you just look at the diagram and identify the base and the height of the parallelogram, you will find the base is 6 and the height is 9. So 6 into 9 will give you 54 square centimeters. Secondly, you have to work out the perimeter of the parallelogram. Either you add all the sides around this figure, that will give you the same answer, or here I have applied this formula 2 times sum of the two adjacent sides. So 2 times 10 plus 6, and this will be 16 into 2, and that is going to be 32 centimeters. So the perimeter of the parallelogram is 32 centimeters. Now let's go for this question number 7, in which we have to work out the area of the shaded region. Now once again you have to look at the diagram given in question number 7 on page 332 on your books, and in order to calculate the area of the shaded region, we need to subtract the area of triangle from the area of trapezium. And so this is the first thing that you have to think for, and how you will calculate the area of the shaded region. We have to apply here the formula of area of trapezium and area of triangle. So area of trapezium is half into height into sum of parallel sides, and we also know the area of triangle, and that is half into base into height. So you can see in the first step I have substituted the values in this formula. Area of trapezium half into 12 into sum of parallel sides, and the two parallel sides you can see from the diagram that these are given as 10 and 14, so 10 plus 14. In the same way, if you look at the second part of the same step, half into base into height, which is going to be area of triangle, half into 12 into 14. Now if you work out the area of trapezium, you will get your answer as 144, and minus if you work out the second part, which is the area of triangle, you will get 84. You have to go for cancellation, okay? And after that, you have to subtract 84 from 144, and this is going to give you 60 square centimeters. So the area of the shaded region is going to be 60 square centimeter. Now here is your homework. You have to complete all these questions on your classwork copies, and if you have any confusion you can ask.